Hello everyone, back with another video of a first grade PBL project that incorporated the knowledge and skills of science, engineering, and music. Students were given the following driving question. How will you invent and build an instrument for Mr. Woods? David Woods is the elementary music teacher who was willing to collaborate in this project with us. This PBL project included sustained inquiry, authenticity, student voice and choice in how they worked and what they created, and critique and revision. A couple of things that we did not do this year but hope to add on to next year is to have students use the design thinking method to perform empathy work to gain an understanding of their end user, Mr. Woods. They would need to engage in interviews with Mr. Woods to directly learn about what is essential to him when it comes to instruments. We also hope to have the students observe the 5th graders and the middle and high school students during band practice to identify the needs and wants of musicians, any problems that they might face, and insights that can positively influence the design of the first graders we use for this project. At the start of the project, Jeremy Jacobson, our first grade science specialist, created engaging lessons that allowed students to explore how sound makes matter vibrate and how vibrating matter can create sounds. In music, Mr. Woods taught students to compose and improvise ta-ti-ti rest patterns with their voice and an instrument. In design class, students went through the engineering process to create their instruments. Students brainstormed simple sketches and drawings of potential instruments, and then created a blueprint that combined their best ideas and included the materials needed to create their prototype. Using the rapid prototype technique, the first graders quickly created low-res prototypes to elicit feedback from myself and my co-teacher Heidi Peterson, and used the information to improve their work. After multiple iterations, they finally used their instruments to perform in front of Mr. Woods during his music class. Mr. Woods assessed the students on their ability to play the ta-ti-ti rest patterns. I would like to give a special thanks to the following people for making this project possible. Jeremy Jacobson for front-loading the science content and taking the lead on the design portion of the project due to his experience with instruments. David Woods for collaborating with us and making the project more authentic for the students, and Heidi Peterson for facilitating students in the engineering process. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more education videos like this.